Hello, all you YouTubers. My name is George. George the Comedian Bird. How's everybody doing? Oh, where are you? Oh, there you are. For my first joke, how many light bulbs does it take to screw in a light bulb? Gee, how many does it? None, because light bulbs don't have hands. Yes, that was a good one, if I do say so myself. Yes, well, I got one for you. Oh, what is it, Ed? Well, what has an orange beak and orange feathers? I don't know. Could it be me? So, everybody, two beaks are better than one. Oh, that was a good one. Oh, yes, very good, very good. Well, where you looking at, people? Anyways, continuing on. Ba doo boo ba doo boo ba doo boo 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 ba. Oh, I'm drowning in my sorrow. Beak, get it? Beak, pack, pack, beep, 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 boo. Ooh, I'm back. Oh, sorry, I lost my footing on this perch. There we go again. Oh, here we are, folks. Well, my cousin George is taking a little break. I got some rootin' tootin' good ones for you. Yeah. Anyways, try this one out for size. How many parrots does it take to sing a song? 5. Because you need one for the conducting. Hey, you'll find that funny, people. Well, I really don't care. Well, my cousin Ed's taking a little break. I managed to find my perch again. Speaking of a joke, here comes one. Perch. A perch. How many birds can perch on a line? Let me see. Oh, that's right. Not too many, because if there's one too many, they just fall off the line. If you know what I mean. You know what I need to... Oh, by the way, do you know what they do to puppets in prison? They mutilate them. They populate them. They mutilate them. They populate them. Okay, people, here's what they really do to puppets in prison. They populate them. Well, folks, we hope you had a good time. We hope you had a lot of laughs, because we are what we do best. And now we will leave you with a song. We are the puppets of the Lord of highs and lows and ups and ups and everything what you see. We give you what we got. We won't go away. If you hate our jokes, so what? As long as you laughed at a few, we really don't care what you like or what you see in us. That's right. So, goodbye. Ooh, bye-bye. Gotta go. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, folks. Bye-bye. Goodbye. Well, if you don't find it funny, so whoop-de-doo.